In this lecture, we will learn about the different types of mates in a SolidWorks assembly. In SolidWorks, an assembly is the relation between two parts. Those are very similar to the relations we used in sketching, and so lots of the mates will sound familiar to you. To start creating mates, we need components. So let's go ahead and insert two random components. So I'm going to browse and I'm going to select the rectangle, and then I will also add another part. I'm going to add this triangle. On the top, you will see mate. If you click on it, you will see many options popping up on the left. First is the mate selection. Here, you pick the entities from the parts which you plan to mate using a certain relation. So if we want to mate those two faces, we can pick this face and then this other face, and now we have them here. Below it, you will see a tab saying Standard Mates. If you scroll down, you will see another tab saying Advanced Mate and another one saying Mechanical Mates. At this point, we will only focus on the standard mates. Standard mates include coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, distant, and angle. It also includes a lock command.